Games Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G for Cricket Wireless. So the Galaxy A53 is now here at Cricket Wireless as of April 1st. So if you guys are looking to get a mid-range smartphone, the Galaxy A53 is worth checking out. Like I said, this phone has 5G on it, so the title says it all. So if you guys are looking to get a mid-range 5G smartphone, the Galaxy A53 is worth checking out. So it's available now in awesome black. The phone is very awesome, has pretty great specs for what it is. It's available now for $489.99. That is if you're switching to Cricket Wireless. Let me see if there's like any discounts for current customers. And no, there is not. So it's $489.99 regardless of if you're a current customer or a new customer. So yeah. So $410, that's $40 cheaper than the base model version, which is $450. So yeah. Shit. So there's the phone right there, guys. You guys have your hole punch for your front facing camera, a piece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. The left side of the phone has nothing, so your SIM card is either on the right side, top or bottom. So yeah. And then on the back of the Galaxy A53 is your quad camera setup. You guys do get 4 cameras on here, 3 cameras right here, camera right here, and then your camera flash, Samsung logo, and the camera just protrude out just a little bit. So yeah, it kind of sticks out just a little bit there, so just be mindful of that. Alright, but the camera hump is not too bad. It's not like the Galaxy S20 or nothing like that. You guys do have the option to pay for a monthly if you guys want to do that. Totally up to you. You guys can pay that's $18 a month at 0% APR with the frame, so you guys could do that. So whatever way works for you. So quick specs on the Galaxy A53: 6.5-inch display, 64 megapixel main camera, 128 gigabytes of storage. It says here indulge in 6.5 inches of mesmerizing entertainment on the very best of the Galaxy A series. Experiencing full HD Super AMOLED screen for a crystal clear view, stereo speakers for a surround sound feel, and a long-lasting battery for streaming your favorite content. Plus, keeping up with your people is virtually lag-free. Everything you love, all in one. So, yeah. Features. Lifelike resolution on an Infinity display. This is an Infinity O display. So, yeah. It says whether you are streaming short videos or kicking back to complete a whole series, the Galaxy A53 5G Super AMOLED display is built to keep you entertained with incredible color incredible color clarity that translates into awesome resolution. It is full HD plus display, guys, so not too bad. Smart camera, share worthy shots, capturing content is as easy as pose. Shoot and share with Galaxy A53's 5G intelligent camera. Single take lets you capture video, pictures, and more with just one tap, while image stabilization technology makes sure every clip is crystal clear. Hold on, did I skip one? No, I did not. Alright. Slim shape, durable design. Life happens, but Galaxy A53 5G provides a premium slim design that is built to last through those unpredictable moments. The body was engineered to indoors, so you can wear less around water and dust. It is IP67 rated for dust and water resistance up to 3 feet for 30 minutes in fresh water, guys. So a pool, a river, a bathtub, a sink full of water, stuff like that, fresh water, rainwater, fresh water. If you guys put your phone in salt water, you're fucked. Yeah. So it's IP67 rated for dust and water and fresh water up to 3 feet for 30 minutes, not salt water, because salt water will ruin your phone. So yeah, so the specs on this phone are pretty good. You know, this is a holy shit, pretty good specs phone here. So it has Android 12 with One UI 4 on there, which is very nice, and the latest and greatest from Samsung right now. Yeah, dimensions 6.27 inches in height, 2.94 inches in width, and 0.31 inches in depth. Display is 6.5 inches Full HD plus Super AMOLED Infinity O display with 120Hz refresh rate on there. So very nice. Memory up to 128 gigabytes of storage, 60 gigabytes of RAM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 802.11, APG, and AC. I don't know if it probably has Wi-Fi 6 on here. I'm not really sure. It has mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi calling, USB Type-C, Bluetooth 5.1. Cameras, you get 4 on the back, 64 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro lens, and then a 5 megapixel depth lens on the rear, then a 32 megapixel front facing camera, and then you guys get you guys get an octa-core processor at 2.4 gigahertz. Is a Exynos 1280 chipset there, 5,000 mAh battery with fast charge, up to 25 watt. Yeah, you may have to get your own charging brick, because I don't think the Cricket version comes with the charger either. The Boost Mobile version did not come with the charger, so I doubt the Cricket one will come with the charging brick, so you will have to provide that on your own money. So yeah, and then you get hearing aid compatibilities there. Accessories, if you guys want to look at accessories from Cricket Wireless on the Galaxy A53, here you go. They got some cases on here. What's that? Some screen protectors. They got a quick sell case. So they got different cases and stuff here. If you guys want to get more choices to choose from for your accessories, go to Amazon and type in Samsung Galaxy A53 5G to get more accessories for your phone there. And you guys will get them cheaper there on Amazon as well, because $29 for a case. Now if it's an out of box case, you will be paying a pretty penny for it, so do keep that in mind. So yeah, so there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy A53 5G is now here at Cricket Wireless for $409.99. So if you're a new customer or current customer, that is what you pay for this phone, $410. It's $40 cheaper than the Boost Mobile version, which Boost Mobile is selling it for $450. Boost Mobile currently has it on sale for $200. So yeah, so so if you guys are looking to get a mid-range 5G smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy A53 is worth taking a look at here. So so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.